Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new playlist where we'll be developing social media app. All right. In this playlist, I'll be showing you guys how we can develop a social media app. Yeah, this app is going to be something like Facebook, right? It might not be sophisticated as Facebook, but the essence is to show you that software engineering is not hard. Right, that is the essence. The reason why we are creating this playlist, creating the social media app, is to show you that software engineering is not hard. Something is not hard when you know it. So all you have to do is to know it, and when you learn, you will actually know. And that is why we are here for you. We are here to show you how you can become software developers without having a background in computer science or engineering, without having any university degree. Yes, you can do it. That is why we are here. So we'll be showing you how we can develop social media app. It's going to be hands on deck. It's going to be interactive, and don't hesitate to drop your comments. Don't hesitate to write us an email. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting a lot of videos like this. So let us jump right into it. Okay, now this is a software engineering project, but the thing is this: we are not going to look at everything in software engineering because we don't have the time, but I will be putting you guys through. So when you want to develop a software, there are things you have to do. Okay, first of all, you need to understand the requirements. You need to do analysis about the requirements, understand what does my client want? Okay, the users that will be using the software, what would they want? How would they want to use this? What would they want? So this is what we call system analysis or requirement analysis, where we get to understand what the client wants the system to do, what users would actually want the software to help them do. So in this series, we are going to be looking at the requirements, what users want. Okay, this is not top-notch software engineering principle. Okay, but we are going to take it small. Now, when you enroll into our software engineering classes, you're going to learn all these things in depth and be very, very good at it. So let us take a look at the functional requirements of this social media application. The first thing is that users can create accounts. Just like if you go to Facebook, before you start using Facebook, you must create an account. Okay, you must create an account. So you have to register, you can log in, and you can change your password in case you forgot your password. So this is one of the functionalities of this software. The next one is that a user can search for people with same interest. Okay, when I register, I can search for people who I can make friends. Okay, I can search for people based on their interest. Maybe I'm searching for people who have interest in football. I can search for people who have interest in educational materials. And moreover, this social media application is limited to things that are motivational, things that are educational and inspirational. So users cannot post anything they want. It has to be something that is educational, motivational, inspirational. All right, so that we are trying to develop it so that children can also use it. So any post that does not meet this requirement, the person who made that post will be deleted from the system. Okay, so this application is a social media application for people, for motivational posts, educational posts, inspirational posts. Anything other than these three will not be allowed, and the user will be banned from using the application. So people can come and search for people who have the same interest. Maybe I have interest in educational materials, something like mathematics, something like software engineering, something like biology. So I can see posts of people, I can see posts of that interest. Okay, so a user can send friends requests. So when I search for people and see people who are in that category, I can send them friends requests, and a user can accept or decline friends request. Before I will accept your friend request, I will go and see your profile, see the kind of person you are. Okay, If I'm not okay with it, I will decline the friend's request. But if I'm okay with it, I will accept it. Now, a user can restrict posts to those of interest or people who they follow. Now, a user have the right to say, I don't want to be seeing general posts on my newsfeed. I want to see posts that are of interest to me. I don't want to be seeing any. I'm interested in only in things that are related to biology or things that are related to mathematics. I don't want to see any other posts outside of this interest. So a user can actually restrict it to people they also follow or people who post or to posts that are of their interest. A user can make and edit a post, okay? A user can create a story. A user can like or comment on a post, and a user can get notifications of activities in the platform. Just like on Facebook, when something new comes, somebody likes your page or something, like you get a notification that something like that has happened. So this is what we are going to be creating. And I want you to understand something. This is not hard. All right, that is your first victory, to say that yes, software engineering is not hard, and that is how you can conquer. All you have to do is to learn, and we are here to help you. We are here to train you, guide you, right? We are here to mentor you. We are not those kind of people that will just give you material to go and study. No, we will have a community, our WhatsApp group, where if you have any issues, you can drop. We will have classes that we take questions and help you solve your problems. So now let us take a look at the technologies we are going to use to develop this application. The first one is HTML, because this application is actually going to be a web application, all right? We could also do it as a mobile application, okay? But we are doing web application. So we'll be using HTML, we will be using CSS, we'll be using JavaScript and TypeScript. Don't bother if you don't understand these things. All you have to do is to enroll to our class in our software engineering classes, and you're going to learn these things. We are going to use React.js. Now, React.js is a framework built on JavaScript. We are going to be using Material UI. It's a framework built on JavaScript and also on CSS and HTML. Okay, we'll be using Nest.js, okay, for our backend, our API, and we'll be using MongoDB for our database. Okay. Now, we will also be using GitHub so that we can actually upload our resources, our files to GitHub, so that Vercel, where we'll be hosting the application, we'll be hosting our application on Vercel, where everybody can now have access to this social media app. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the next class, we will be setting up our development environment. All right, we'll be setting up our Visual Studio Code. We'll be installing different packages that we will need. Okay, so drop your comments, like, subscribe, share this video. All right, and make sure you get back to us. Send us an email, join our WhatsApp group, go to our website, join our WhatsApp group so that you can be very, very close to us and get more information from us. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next class.